am still in contact with her. And
She's good. She's
one of her
brilliant.
favorite.
Brilliant.
Yes.
You should see a video. I'll share you guys. Clarity of thought. On geopolitical issues. There is a video. I'll share it with you guys. On Instagram also it is.
South
there.
Chinese.
South Chinese. That is the clarity. He can never speak freely.
Yes, sir.
So we are going for NDA, so we'll start from 8th. And जो जैन में है बोलो और देखेंगे फिर कैसा है
Yes, sir.
सोचो मत. Don't think that anybody is listening to you. You just be in your own mood, speak freely, let it come.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So good morning Anirudh. Next 40 minutes we talk more about your education, family, spare time. Though I've got some idea, but now I want you to speak free. Starting from education. Suppose you tell me about your education from class 8th to the present level. I am interested in knowing about the percentage of marks in every class, subjects that you choose after class 10 for further studies, and about your future career options. Your participation in extracurricular activity, games and sports, achievements in those fields, teacher who you like, those who didn't impress you, friend circle that you moved with at school and college, close friends. What is the reason that they are the close friends to you? Financial difficulties in education if you faced, and things like that.
Okay, sir. Starting from class 8 onwards, I scored 50% in class 8. That was the pandemic year, and I attended class online. In 9th class, I scored 72.3%. Till there, I was not very much into studies, but from 9th class, I started studying focusedly. In 10th class, I scored 86.8% with distinction in all subjects. In 11th class, I scored 85%. In 12th class, I scored 71.2%. Apart from it, I also appeared in JEE exam where I scored 85 percentile, and in maths I scored 97 percentile. And I also appeared in CUT exam, but the result is yet to come. And I am thinking to join IIST Indore Institute of Science and Technology College in BTech for BTech in Civil Engineering plus Computer Science.
Civil plus computer.
Yes, sir. That will create a backup for me, and as I already studied hard for NDA, I am able to clear the exam in future exam as well. But I selected IIST because of the co-curricular activity in the sports they provided me, and they will also introduce NCC from this year. And this is about my academics till now. Apart from this, I participated in school carnival class 10th. Before that there was lockdown, so I was not able to participate in 8 and 9. And before that I participated in annual function and other activities. But in 10th class I participated in school carnival. I was the only guy who was in all the activities. Lifting cylinder to the second floor to downside, conducting the games to conducting...
Surrender to the second floor for what?
Sir, because I came early in the morning. So I have to carry the cylinder from the ground to the second floor because no other will carry it for the security purpose to keep it in our class. And
Cylinder?
yes, sir. Because in school carnival we have a fest tent to where we cook chole bhature, sandwich and chocolates.
In the class?
No, sir. It was on the sports ground. But we come early in the morning. So no other guy take our cylinder. So for security purpose.
Security.
Yes. Then I also was in serving, and I also cooked chole bhature for my first time in the life. I cooked bhature there.
It is easy.
Yes, sir, it was.
Okay.
And after school carnival, I also participated in the group dance activity of Ganesh Vandana, and our group got best performance certificate. And I also participated in the Olympiad of Maths and English in 11th class. And I also conducted the teacher day, organized the teacher day. Apart from it, I also danced in it, and I also did anchoring. And I also did anchoring in sports day and managed the sports activity many times as well. And then till now I never faced any financial issue. My father supported me very much, and my parents supported me very much. And talking about my teachers, I really admire RMM and Ravinandan sir. They inspire me very much. And when I face any difficulty and confusion regarding the career or anything in my life, I directly discuss them. Maybe they will call back me in some hours or some 1-2 days because they also have busy life. They are also students, but they always contact me and solve my problem. And talking about my friend, best friend is Nirzala, Bhavish, and Sevan. They are really supporting, and I really feel happy with them.
Nirzala is a girl.
Yes, sir. Nirzala sir.
Tell me a little bit about your school. I'm getting confused. Initially, you were in ICSE board.
Yes, sir.
That was where?
Sir, I was in ICSE board for 9th and 10th class. That is
Indore.
in Indore.
Then you shifted to state board.
Yes, sir.
What is the reason?
Sir, because the school is 15 km far from me and I have to go there, it takes me a lot of time. In Indore, there is a lot of traffic. And in 11th, 12th class, I also want to in NDA. So the school ISC board in 11th, 12th, it become ISC board. It shifted from ICSE to ISC. The name is changed. So the ISC board plus NDA plus a lot of traveling will make hectic. The time is not able to manage because it takes 3 to 4 hours to daily
I
traveling.
got it.
And
So you shifted to which school?
Sita Devi Higher Secondary School. It is near to my home, 1.5 kilometers.
Then?
Then sir, I studied there. I took a dummy school from there. And I applied for
It's a dummy school?
Yes, sir.
And then what were you doing in the dummy free time?
Sir, I focused on my NDA and my 12th, 11th, 12th exam.
Why would you choose dummy school?
So it was my mistake. Like there is no family background. No one in my family is in defense forces, and my surrounding is doing JEE and NEET. They took dummy. Additionally, the teachers and the guides also recommended me to take dummy. They said I will not be able to manage the thing. But when I cracked ND, I got to know that it's not that much hard. I can manage it. That was a mistake I made.
So these friends are from where? From 10th class?
No, sir. 11th.
So Nirjala, Bhavish, they
They are
11th and 12th.
Yes, sir.
What are they doing now?
Sir, they are also in ND. They are also preparing for ND.
They all cleared written?
Sir, me, Bhavish, Nirzala cleared ND on the September exam. Seven didn't clear that, and I also cleared the second attempt. They got conference out. I got screened out, and Seven didn't clear both the exams. And
Shivam padta udta nahi.
sir, I think he is weak immunity. He gets cold. Sir, he gets head pain. I helped him a lot, but the thing
How
like
did you help?
I gave him notes. I gave him the lectures.
I thought you helped him in headache.
No, sir. I also taught him many lessons as well. But the thing that if he is not willing to do so, how I can help? Like I can teach him for 2-3 hours, then he has to go home and self-study. That
You are not active in sports.
I am active in sports, sir, but I have no certificate.
What have you played?
Sir, I played volleyball, basketball, cricket, running, and sometimes badminton and kabaddi as well.
Where?
With my friends. And I played basketball and got selected for inter-state competition. But
Inter-state?
Yes, sir.
You played in district level?
No, sir. In the ISC board, there are no many very schools, so there is a direct competition for inter-state.
School level state tournament?
Yes, sir. But then due to the Raksha Bandhan, my sisters came.
What is the length of a basketball court?
Sir, I prepared it, but I forgot it now.
Prepared it means you're a player. You should know it.
Sir, it is around 29 meter.
29 meter?
Sorry, sir, 50 meter.
50 meter? I'm not aware, I'm just asking.
No, sir, I forgot it.
And what is the height of that
Pole, sir,
net?
2.9 meter from the ground, lower net.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
How did your friends describe you?
Sir, my friend described me as a clueless, hardworking, and leadership quality guy.
Means what?
Sir, I conducted teacher day, and I also.
Yeah, you mentioned to me you organized Teachers' Day.
Yes, sir.
What does that mean?
Sir, in 11th class, one of our.
11th class it was in dummy school.
Yes, sir.
Which Teachers' Day you were
So I
organizing?
took a coaching for India exam.
Where?
For defense. In Indore, there is a academy. I took a class.
Achha, there you were conducting this.
Yes, sir. Sir,
So there you conduct proper teachers day and all.
yes, sir.
What was your role in it?
Sir, I was the main guy who conducted it, the background activity. Apart from it, I anchored.
How were you chosen to be the main guy?
Sir, because the teachers looked the spark on me.
What spark you had?
He said that I have good leadership quality before teacher day also.
What is leadership quality according to you?
Sir, to be a guy who can progress the group in any situation, who don't give up easily, and who thinks for a solution.
And don't think for a solution.
Who thinks for a
Thinks
solution.
for a solution.
So in teacher day, he chosen me. Then first of all, I asked him that how the things are conducted till now. I was a new student here. So
What
then,
would they like to change in you?
what's it?
What would your friends like to change in you?
Sir, sometimes when during exam, I become very much serious about the exam or the entrance exam and all.
That's normal, no? It should be serious.
Yes, sir, it should be serious, but they think that you can still chill because you scored well. But I try to score my best. Like in when
Whether your friends want you to be casual.
sir, like I am very casual in normal days, but during exam days I become
You are
very serious.
casual in normal days.
Yes, sir.
Just now you said I'm very leadership quality is this, that. Now you're saying I'm casual.
Sir, I think both things can be at the same time simultaneously.
Casual or carefree?
I am not careless, but I am casual normally. I am not very serious guy and all.
You're carefree person.
Not a carefree, but I am normal person.
Carefree is a good word.
Yes, sir.
Casual is not a good word.
Not a careless person. I am carefree.
I'm carefree.
Yes, sir.
I'm careless.
No, sir, I am not. I am carefree.
Okay,
And sir, like this is the one thing. Second thing, I become friend with the guy who talks nicely to me.
that's good thing.
Yes, sir, but they say that not everyone is nice to you. They are just in your face and the backward.
They want you to be suspicious.
No, sir, they say that if you just maintain an attitude, it will be good for your personality.
What is your opinion?
Sir, I think they are thinking good for me, but at the
What do
end,
you think? You should maintain attitude.
no, sir, I don't think.
Your friends maintain some attitude.
Till a level, sir, till a certain level. Like for strangers, yes, they are, but not for friends.
Who gives attitude to friends? For strangers only will give attitude, no?
Yes,
And
and sir, that's it. I think.
what would your own opinion?
To
Where
take
you
it-
want to improve?
Sir, I think I have to improve in such qualities like knowledge and all, but I don't think any negativity in my personality. Negative.
Still where you are weak.
So
But negative or
sometimes,
weak?
sometimes I lack confidence, self-doubt.
When?
When in exam time, like to its exam, I have prepared, but I think that my mind automatically get what I have not done instead of what I have done. So there I should make a confidence in myself.
So how do you cover that?
I don't think so. I just focus on my work.
And
Yes, sir, that's it, I guess.
apart from that, anything else you want to change?
No, sir, I don't want to change. I want to maintain my personality. I think it's good and it will help me progress in my future.
Maintain your personality means?
Like the person who I am. I don't get influenced by the others very easily.
Means?
Sir, if the people around me chilling very much, I will not go chilling. If the people around me studying very hard, I will not go studying. I will follow my own part. That what is my routine, what is my goal. Then like that I will do that. I don't think take others bother very much.
Like
Like
follow your own
yes,
line of thought.
yes, sir.
Okay. Any difficulty in financing education?
No, sir.
Tell me about your family, your parents and other members, their education and occupation. How do you spend time together? What activities, channel activities, do you get interested, involved? Who are you more close to in family? And how much pocket money are you getting for your expenditure? If not, then how do you manage your finances?
Sir, we are 3 members in my family. I, my mother, and my father.
You're the only son?
Yes, sir, I am single sir. So my father is a labor contractor. He works in Tamil Nadu, Vellore, near Vellore, Coimbatore. Not Vellore, he works near Coimbatore. I mistakenly named the Vellore because my friend Bhavesh is getting operation there. So my mother is a
Your
homemaker.
friend is getting operated there.
Operation sir. He got a minor back. He got a lower back injury. So he is also in Tamil Nadu. So I mistakenly named him. And my mother is a homemaker. Most of the time my father is out of Indore since my childhood. So that's the thing that I am not spend very much time with him. But whenever he comes,
Why did your father take you and your mother also to?
sir, because in Tamil Nadu also don't live in a very good city. He lived in a village where a factory is there. Because he is the labor contractor plus supervisor there.
What is the meaning of labor contractor?
Sir, the labor works in the factory, like the factories of banana chips. So my father from all over India take labor and go to Tamil Nadu, and
How do they contact him?
sir, he has a various contact. Like sometimes he has contact, sometimes he go by himself on the city, search the labor because we know that its disparity in India is very much. There are many poor people who need work. So he go and the people get work, so they are happy, and my father could get a industrious person, so he was also.
So you get commission out of the labor?
Yes sir, he don't get commission. He is the supervisor. Plus he takes care of the labor. He is responsible for the labor coming from all over India. So he gets payment for it.
That's a very tough job.
Yes sir, he did. My father is very hard.
But you lived your life without your father.
No sir, like in 2 months, my father came for 15-20 days.
Every 2 months.
It's a rough, I guess. Like in 2 months, average it gets only there. If sometime he gets for 1 month, then sometime he gets for 1 week only. Average for 15 days.
How is it to be a single child?
Sir, in earlier days, I think that if I have any younger or elder sibling, it would be very much comfortable. But as I am going, I feel good about it.
Good that nobody is there.
No, sir, I feel good that there is no change. I don't think that काश मेरा कोई भाई बहन होता, काश ही होता. I feel good with what I have.
What does your father think of you?
Sir, he thinks I am very serious, hardworking, and a responsible child. As he is out of city most of the time, and I take care of my mother and home very much. So he is very satisfied and proud.
What worries him about you?
Sir, like he thinks I am very much into NDA, serious. Till last year, I only cried one time after the lockdown. Before that, I was the kid, but I got cried only when I got scanned out. So he know that I am very much serious about NDA. So he
Cried
Yes, sir. Yes.
loudly or slowly?
Silently, no one knows about it. But tears got from my eyes.
That happens.
That happened. That didn't happen to me, sir. It was the only time that it happened to me.
It hurt you.
Yes, sir. But I overcome it, and he is now feel good that I becoming mature to take the failure as well. And
What would you like to change in your father?
sir, he is very good, hardworking, but sometimes he get careless for himself. He forgets to take medicine because he was so much occupied in the work.
What medicine?
Like medicine, sometimes he got cold, and for few weeks he got high
What's his
sugar.
age?
47.
You were born very late.
No, sir.
You were born when he was 31.
No, sir. When he was 30.
What does your mother say?
21, 20 and a half.
What is your mother's age now?
Oh, yeah. Now my mother age is 37.
His father is 10 years older to her.
Yes, sir.
Mother, anything you would like to change?
So sometimes he gets really too much care for me, like a mother do for his child. If she knows that I am very responsible and take care for me, but still like I am going outside of Indore, so she will call me and she is worried about me. There are things that she calls me, no worry. But if
Your parents get worried about you.
yes, sir, that's the only thing I do.
And what does she want to change in you?
Nothing, sir. She really proud of me.
Hmm.
Even though the situation happened in 10th class, I scored very good marks. In 12th class, so I managed all the things and go. Even I got the typhoid also. So and then still I cleared NDA, got good marks in JEE and got a little marks in 12th. But for her, I am.
How was this UET exam?
So it went good.
You make it?
Sir, it is.
If you clear CUET, where do you like to go and study? Delhi University.
Sir, there is two good university in Indore. Apart from IIT Indore, that I am not able. I am not prepared for IIT, and I really don't want to go there also. There is good two college, IST and DAVD.
And what about Delhi University?
DU? No, sir, I will not go. Sir, if I go to DU, I have to really focus on academics and very much. But I want to go in ND and I want to focus myself on it.
NDA तो हो गया. In case you don't do.
No, sir, still I will go with government job.
You prepare for government jobs?
Yes, sir.
Like
The MPPSC, UPSC and all.
which?
Civil service examination, IPS. Either IPS or foreign ambassador.
Foreign ambassador.
I really like the job of them. But I just started knowing about that. Not very much.
What are your hobbies, your spare time interest, leisure time activity?
Sir, I like to play chess and workout. And I also like reading.
What do you read?
Sir, book reading. Even after getting 12th, I started reading newspaper also. And I also like cycling and all.
Which books have you read?
Sir, I have read the book Immortals of Mejua, The Secret of Nagas, the Vayuputra, and the Balidan book about the Parasef, and recently I am reading the Naga Warrior, and apart from it I read the Half Atomic Habit, and
Half Atomic Habit?
yes sir. I told you my favorite teacher is Abhinandan sir, and he advised me that the self-help book is not, you don't need to self-help book.
Half Atomic?
Like the book is 200 pages and I read 110 pages.
Actually, you read half of the Atomic Habit book. Okay. Who is the author?
Uh, I don't know.
Okay, no issues.
No, sir.
So, how many union territories are there in India?
Seven.
7 or
9, 9, 10.
7 or 8 or 9?
7, 9, 10.
Why are you confused? You played ND twice.
My geography is not good.
This is not geography, this is political map of India.
8 union territories.
Can you name them from north to south?
Sir, Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir, it was, and Jammu Kashmir used to be, now not, now it's a state. Chandigarh.
Jammu Kashmir is not a union territory now.
Yes sir, I said no, it was used to be union territory, now it's a state.
Now also it is a union territory.
Ladakh, J&K and Chandigarh and Goa.
Goa is not a union territory.
It is not a state. So that's what I said, I confused in geography.
Are you good in history?
I am good in maths, sir. Not in SST areas.
Can't ask me maths question.
I can give a speed, time, calculation and all.
That anybody can give.
Yes. I also have my friends in maths and the field, but not in very much in SST.
Geopolitics, any interest?
Yes, sir.
Any topic?
Sir, I started studying. If you want to ask me anything, I will tell you.
Any topic you prepared?
Sir, I have prepared Iran-Israel recently.
That is the war which is going on.
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
I also know about South China Sea conflict.
What is one China policy?
Sir, like it used to in the state, it has given a 11-9.
No, one China policy.
Republic of China, sir, you are asking me Republic of China. Sir, before 1950, and there was a single government, but then any what we can say riots happened and the government is separated that. So the China is saying the Xi Jinping, the dictator of China, another communist government leader, is now going for a one China policy, like the ocean the map it used to have.
It is about Taiwan.
Oh yes, sir.
What is it?
Yes. Sir, the Taiwan.
Okay, that's all. Put it. Final changes will be. ठीक है?